Hi guys! Alright, so you just took your math quiz on subtraction. I'm sure you did really well. I'm hoping you used those strategies we learned in class about where you can count backwards from the big number or you can count up from the little number and figure out your answer. You could have done either one of those strategies, and I'm sure you did awesome. But now that we've taken our little quiz, let's have some fun in math, okay? Are you ready for some fun? Me too. It's Friday. Let's have some fun. Alright, so you've noticed the next part of your assignment after the quiz. It's going to be a PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you what it's kind of going to look like when you bring it up and how to work it. And a PowerPoint is just like a program I used on my computer to make it. So when you open it up, let me find it. It's going to bring it up and look like this. And this is how you're going to make it work. You're going to come up here to the top and you're going to see this button here that says Slideshow. Click it. And then go all the way over here and it says from the beginning or from beginning. Click it. And it's going to start it. And this is how PowerPoints work. All you have to do is touch any button you want or click the mouse and it'll go to the next page. So I just hit the space bar and it just went to the next page. And this is how you're going to do this. It's going to give you a math problem. You've got to solve it. And then you can click here to check your answer. So like 8 plus 8, you can use any strategy you want. You can make a 10. I can make a 10 on this one. I'm going to take 2 from him, give it to him to make him a 10. So this is a 10, and if I took 2, I'd only have 6 left. 10 plus 6 is 16. So I know my answer is 16, and I'm right. So I can click it and check it. Don't just click over here to get the answer. Please work it out, and then click over here to see if you're right, okay? And when you're ready, you just hit it and it'll go to the next one. The same thing. This one I can probably put the big number in my head and I can count up 4. After I do that, 15, go up 4, would be 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'd click over here and make sure I'm right. Ooh, I got it right. Good job. Remember, don't just click over here to get the answer. Please work them out. This is some practice. And I know you're like, wait a minute. I thought you said this is going to be fun. This doesn't look fun yet. Hold on, we're getting to the fun part. So once you do 5 math problems, so this was our 5th one, we get to get up and move around a little bit. I'm going to turn that down just a little bit so you can hear me. But it's going to play music for 30 seconds and it tells you to get up and do an exercise. And I'm going to go ahead and just stop this for a minute so I'm going to show you because that one said lazy 8s. And lazy 8s, this is how you do in lazy 8. You put your arms out in front of you, you hold your hands, and you're going to try to make like a 8 shape with your arms. See, it's kind of like an 8. It's working those arms and your shoulders. So this is a lazy 8, okay? And that's the first exercise. So you'll stand up. I can't stand up because the camera won't see me. But you're going to stand up, hold out your arms, and do lazy 8s for 30 seconds until the music stops, okay? And I'll show you what happens when the music stops, but I'm going to slideshow. I'm going to do from the current slide this time because I want to start where we were, not from the beginning. So there we go. It's just going to play music for 30 seconds and you're going to do lazy 8s. Alright, there we go. When the 30 seconds are over, it's going to say time to get back to work. The music stops. I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I'm just going to turn it down. I know the music stops in real life, and then you just go on. You're going to do 5 more math problems. And then it's going to pop up and want you to do a different exercise with the music. All this time it's jumping jacks. So you'll get up and do jumping jacks for 30 seconds. And I bet everybody knows how to do a jumping jack. But you're going to keep going until you get to the end. You thought I was going to get up and do jumping jacks, didn't you? It's not going to happen. But anyway, you're going to keep going to do that until you get all the way through. So, yes, we are going to do some math today, but hopefully you could get up and move around a little bit and have some fun. See if Mom and Dad will get up and do those exercises with you. They need a little exercise too. We've been sitting for a while. See if brothers and sisters want to do this with you. Anybody, if you want to do it by yourself, that's fine. But work on those math problems, and then in between each 5, you get to do another exercise. Get up and wiggle around and move a little bit, okay? And then sit back down and you'll get back to work. So I've given you an adding one, And I'm going to exit out and show you there's a subtraction one too. So one of them's adding and one's subtracting. So when you get done with the adding one, let's bring it up. When you get done with the adding one, go back and do the subtraction one. So the subtraction one looks exactly the same. It went away. There it is. There it is. You can still kind of see me and it, but it's the same thing. You're going to go to slideshow from the beginning and it will start the slideshow. But this time it's subtraction problems, it's takeaway, but you're going to do it the same way. You're going to subtract, and I think it gives you the same exercises again, but just with subtraction. And then we can end the show because we're done. All right, does that sound okay for math today? I hope so. All right, happy Friday. Have fun getting up and doing those exercises, and have fun doing that math too. Remember, don't just click the answer. You work it out and then click the answer to see if you're right, okay? All right. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye.